Hello, today we'll be comparing BUNN CSB2B Speed Brew Light 10 Cup Coffee Maker versus BUNN 55200 CSB3T Speed Brew Platinum Thermal Coffee Maker Stainless Steel. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description, so let's start. Brewing options is Thai. Capacity CSB3T is better. Material build CSB3T is better. Brew strength control is Thai. Programmable features are Thai. Water reservoir is Thai. Keep warm function CSB3T is better. Auto shut off is Thai. Green jar is Thai. Milk frozen is Thai. Dimensions CSB2B is better. Ease of cleaning is Thai. Curve type CSB3T is better. Price CSB2B is better. Special features CSB3T is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the BUNN 55200 CSB3T Speed Brew Platinum Thermal Coffee Maker Stainless Steel. The link to buy it is in the video description.